Ever thought about what makes a dish truly over the top? Is it the perfect blend of sweet and salty, or the unexpected harmony of spicy and sour? Perhaps it's the way a certain flavor combination can transport you to a different time or place. Today, embark on a culinary journey to explore the art of flavor pairing and create an unforgettable dish. Imagine the scent of fresh basil, the tangy sweetness of sun-ripened tomatoes, and the rich, savory notes of garlic sautéed in olive oil. These ingredients alone are delightful, but when combined, they create a symphony of flavors that is the cornerstone of Italian cuisine. This is the magic of flavor pairing. Now think about the classic comfort of a bowl of chicken noodle soup. The savory chicken broth, the tender chunks of chicken, the soft, chewy noodles, and the subtle crunch of carrots and celery. Each ingredient contributes a unique flavor and texture, creating a harmony that comforts and satisfies. But how about pushing boundaries? Today, take a chance on an unexpected pairing. Think about combining the smoky sweetness of maple syrup with the fiery heat of chili peppers. On their own, both are potent, but when brought together, they create a flavor profile that is both surprising and delicious. Now imagine incorporating this flavor combination into a dish. Start by marinating a juicy cut of pork in a mixture of maple syrup and chili peppers. The sweetness of the syrup will balance the heat of the peppers, while the smoky undertones of both ingredients will add depth to the dish. Next, sear the pork on a hot grill to caramelize the sugars in the maple syrup, creating a crispy, flavorful crust. Then finish cooking the pork in the oven to ensure it's tender and juicy. Serve the pork with a side of roasted vegetables and you've got a meal that's both comforting and exciting. This is just one example of how experimenting with flavor combinations can elevate a dish from ordinary to extraordinary. Whether it's the classic pairings that evoke nostalgia or the unexpected ones that surprise and delight, the possibilities are endless. So, go ahead, play with your food. Experiment with different flavor combinations. Who knows, you might just discover your new favorite dish. And remember, cooking is an adventure. It's about more than just feeding yourself, it's about creating something beautiful, delicious, and uniquely yours. So don't be afraid to take risks, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. In the end, it's not just about the final dish, but the journey of discovery and creativity that led to it. So take a deep breath, open your spice cabinet, and start your culinary adventure. The world of flavor combinations awaits.